This is Michael Nelms at Hayward Allen Motor Company, bringing you a 2016 Chevrolet Traverse LT 2 model. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles on it. It is iridescent pearl with black heated leather seating. It includes factory navigation, remote start, power lift gate, rear camera and rear parking sensors. It's a one-owner vehicle with a clean Carfax report, locally bought and serviced. Please call Michael for more information at 706-621-8518. This is one of the cleanest, nicest pre-owned vehicles you will see. Got the original floor mats. It's got the Bose sound system, center buckets, room for 7. Excellent, excellent vehicle. Please call for more information or to set up an appointment for viewing and test driving. Again, you can reach me at 706-621-8518.